I get asked this question often, so I thought, what the heck? I'll create a video. The question is this: where do I put on my LinkedIn profile that I was on a radio show, a TV show, in a newspaper, in a magazine, on a podcast, I'm in a YouTube video? Where do I put my public appearance information on my LinkedIn profile? There's one primary place I'd recommend putting it, and then there's a secondary place that may be a benefit. The primary place I would recommend put it is down here under publications. You can go to publications right here and hit add. And you'll notice when you add a new publication, the only thing that is required is the title. So absolutely put the title of it. Hopefully you have some keywords that and that's relevant to the publication, that's also relevant to what you do, and you can use those keywords there as well. It doesn't need to be the exact title that's online. Then the publication or publisher, the date it was published. Even though they're not required, I'd recommend use those. If you have multiple authors, you could reference the author, maybe the person who interviewed you, or maybe there are multiple people who interviewed you. You can put those authors tied to their LinkedIn profile. This is the really key piece. That's the publication URL, so that the viewer can go listen, watch, or read the publication that you're referencing. The description field is also not a required field, but it's 2,000 characters. I'd recommend use keywords and phrases that are relevant to the content you're putting on here, as well as hopefully relevant to who you are and what you do in your target audience. That's how I would populate that. Again, all of this is indexed, so where you can, description, title, use keywords. Now, once you've put it there, another suggestion may be to add under featured. You can put under featured that podcast, that interview on YouTube, that radio show, the newspaper, TV show, etc., etc. You could put that there as well. Similarly, when you add a link, you just drop the link in there, and let me try one real quick. And then I also get not only the title, but I get a description field, and it's going to pull the thumbnail image from that content, and you can change that if you want to as well by hitting the pencil and choosing a different image. But again, once you put that podcast, that information, public information under publications, you could add featured as well. One last suggestion is that you could also put that content and post it to LinkedIn directly. And once you post it to LinkedIn directly, you could, as an alternative way of doing featured content, is grab the URL to that LinkedIn post and put that under your featured section. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.